Welcome. If you want to turn off your PlayStation 5 by using your controller, at the first you have to tap on the PlayStation button right here, and then we have to go below for this list, and then we have to switch for the right side when we can find the power button. So click X to enter, and as you can see, we can enter the rest mode, we can turn off PS5 and go to restart, but of course we are going to take the turn off PS5. So click X, and right now we have to wait a little bit. Don't unplug your PS5 from the electricity, and after a few seconds it's turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.